Alright, let's get it. Okay, man. It was a crazy day today. Lots of good moves happening in the market, especially for gold. Market was really trying to decide where it wants to go. I think it's deciding now, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen here in the next few hours. What's going on, Jackson? We locked in for sure. For sure. We definitely locked in. We got Nigel in the building. What's going on? What's going on? Alright, awesome, awesome. Alright, bet. So right now on this gold, guys, I think it's gonna sell. Um, because that's what it's looking like right now. I'm going to go ahead and do my trend line here, and it's giving us entry right here at the key zone low. So we didn't go down from there. It's giving the entry here. Price right now is underneath key zone, underneath daily as well. So we pushing down. I think it's a good sell attempt. Alright, if we put our sell trade here and stop loss right above the daily, that's a good sell trade. Or we could do a pending order right at the daily entry. Alright, we're dropping nicely. Oh, okay. Let me see where we're going. Alright, we're dropping. We have a bearish daily candle as well, guys. Look at this daily candle open around the daily entry. That's a bearish strong move. I'm getting ready to enter this trade. It's also at an 800 MA as well. So if we enter here, stop loss right above. It's a fine trade. This is a major sell starting off. Getting ready to enter now. All right, let's see here. All right, so if price is underneath middle Bollinger Band on the 5-minute time frame, 3-minute time frame, it's going to the bottom. So if we enter here, stop loss has to be above. Let's see how many pips that would be. That'll have to be over 80 pips stop loss to be safe. if you enter here exactly where price is at. And I think it's a good entry because price is dropping hard right now. Alright, let's see how we're gonna get our pullback. This is still the area of support. See if it break this threshold here. Yeah, gold is looking really bearish, guys. Let's see if it breaks this zone here. Oof, the daily is very bearish as well. Let's see, we about to break this zone. Right, here go a little pullback. Let's see how the new hour opens up. Alright, let's see if gold is gonna break this zone, guys. This is the only confirmation I need to see to know for sure we're going down. Price have to break that zone right there. If not, we are definitely going back up. Right now, if anything, the best trade would be for a pending order at the daily entry, I would say. Alright, that trend line is pretty strong though. Let's see. Let's see. Go. Let's see. Come on. Oh. From what I'm seeing here, guys, gold is giving mixed signals right now, but overall, it's looking very bearish because price is underneath all of our key zone. We just needed to break this zone right here so we know it's going to go. What do you guys think, chat? What do you guys think gold is gonna do? What's up, man? Welcome back. He's in the sell position. He's been waiting for 32 level all week. Hopefully, we approach tomorrow afternoon, lining up for buys next week, all-time highs. Yeah, I mean, let's see, because the Bears definitely looking like they want to take over. From what I'm seeing here, this daily candle is all bearish right now. Wow. Yeah, we just gotta wait and see. See what we get. Let's see. I need to hide some of these here. Alright, the indicator said to sell from daily, so let's see. We had a support zone. We could go back up from here. I'm just waiting to see that confirmation. Let's see. It's like every move for the buys is so little. Market is moving a bit slower as well, so let's see. Let's see if we even could get a retest back above this area here. That would be great. Let's see if we could get that. Right now, gold is at a 50-50 middle zone overall on this time frame. Which one? Let's see. Bullish candles on the H1. So let's see. Half trend everywhere is red bearish though. Dang. Sheesh. Alright. Let's see. See, our best entry had to be at the daily entry. If we don't have it there, either we take a risk for a sell and have stop loss above it now, or wait for a pullback to where it's closer to the daily and then get a better entry. So let's see. Yep, we are in a support zone, so. Oh, major rejection. That was major rejection at the high. Playing around right there, but it's gonna go down. What are you guys thinking? Up or down? Yeah, we're looking like we're pushing downwards, guys. But it doesn't make sense for me to jump in it right now. Price is like right in the middle. I do have a sell signal here, but I need a retracement, a pullback right above there, so that'd be nice. Oh my God, it's gone right now. Let's see. Man, this morning we had a great opportunity in the market. We need moves like that to come to us. That buy right here was so smooth. Dude, that was perfect. This buy was beautiful. There was no stress on this move. Need something like that here, but we're consolidating. And then Nas sell here was nice too. So let's look at Nas real quick. We talked about this one. This one is still looking very bearish. Today we had some sales, but those sales did not break the zone, the key zone, which is right here, as you guys could see. We had key zone low and key zone high right here. So now, if NAS 100 continue going up higher, the goal is to get to average daily range high. So we're gonna put our buy position to go for a buy right here. Oh, gold pushing back up nicely. I just noticed that. All right, let's finish this one up so we can go back to gold. All right. Yeah, it is. Boom. NAS 100 is always going to give you its best move in the morning and going into Asian session, man. So if you look for these moves here, you're going to be good. So here's my overall setup for this move. I think we're going to go all the way up here on NAS 100, create a nice M formation. And then for gold, we keep dropping. We're dropping lower. We're dropping lower right now on gold. Price respecting the areas. Resistance zone right up there. Half trend is all red. Signal is saying sell. So that's good. Keeps rejecting right here. There's an 800 MA at that area. That's one of the reasons why as well. It's breaking lower. We are right underneath daily, pushing lower and lower. Pushing lower on gold. That's nice. We got a signal in the 1 minute saying sell gold, so that's one of the reasons why it's dropping. That re-entry was nice. All right, we're going lower. Half trend is also ready here on the 30-minute time frame. We got all red bearish candle. Not yet, not fully yet. Okay. All right, let's see if we could at least get back to 1 minute 800 MA. That'd be a great entry. Once we figure out what this thing is fully going to do, which is looking like a sell. Gold is like, it's like doing one of those moves where it's like it's creeping slowly but surely to get somewhere, and it's going down for a sell. But it could easily pull back as well, so let's just stay focused here. Chat. So tell me, man, what you guys thinking? What you guys thinking, man? What we got going on for gold? Tweezy's in the chat. Let's go. What's going on, man? Make sure work news, however, believe having liquidity. Yeah. I like that, Readjust. Let's play the patient card for sure. For sure. That's how they get us when we're not patient. They get us hard. Yeah. Uh-oh, gold is pushing back up. Let's see. Ugh, this was such a nice sell entry. But let's see what happens here. Guys, we still haven't had any major breakout yet, man, for gold for the week. Same with Nas. So let's be patient and really take advantage of the moves and get them really hard. I would not be surprised if gold buy like crazy. I would not be surprised. So let's be patient, guys. All right, we are at 800 MA. We are at 800 MA on the 1 minute time frame and 5 minute time frame. You know what I mean? Let's pull that up real quick. There it is. It's around this area, the 800 MA. Let's see. I don't trade Nas, but Nas still looks like a buy to me. Pull back. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Sniper said he still wanna see sales. On which one, Sniper, are you looking for sales on? I hesitated with the gold buy this morning. I seen the indicator. I will go walk away with a bag for today, bro. Yeah, we definitely going to get them for sure, man. The indicator did give a nice signal for the buy this morning. I took advantage of it off the daily line, and the crazy thing was, that's not even the move I was really looking for, because I thought price was gonna possibly break the daily entry and keep going down lower. But then I noticed it was not breaking that support. Me and Lee just was talking and we seen it, so we entered it buy. The way we entered this buy, we was not even, like I said, I was not expecting the buy to be this hard. So I did a small risk and still ended up making a good amount off the small risk I did here. But it was a great move overall. Stressless, straight to the point. And then it dropped right from key zone highs, previous weekly highs, which I should have re-entered, but adrenaline was going, and I just didn't really do anything after that for the rest of the day. But it was a good buy. It was a good buy. We need a good move like that. Yeah, man, it's crazy. Yeah, there was some great volatility for sure. There was some great volatility this morning. That's all. You just gotta show up at the right time, and you'll get those. This morning I did very good, showing up at the right time. By the time these moves was happening, we was already 2 hours in the session. So that's how we catch a nice move, man. But right now, gold is moving slow. It's moving very slow. Patience is what's gonna carry us to profit right now. Patience and executing at the right time. Gold is still very bearish, guys. On the H1 and 30 minute, it's very bearish. Retest at the 50 MA. Let's see. Half trend is now green, so let's see. Let's see if we could go back up there to give us a retest. Again, guys, our best entry is always going to be at the daily entry where it says DE from the strategy. It says DE. DE right here. Daily entry. Yeah, this gold is literally right there in the middle. It's going like it's big moves though. It's big move consolidations. It's huge move consolidations. What did I just do? I deleted the one I actually needed. Something's wrong with this one. Oh, that's a big drop. All right, let's look at this on a naked chart. Put up another gold. All right, on a naked chart, this is how it's looking, guys. So it seems like right now we have already made our way under back underneath the middle Bollinger Band. So the next H4 candle is most likely going to push price lower. So we may end up going lower because that's just what it shows. If price was above middle Bollinger Band here, then I'll say let's look for buys to go here. But because of this wick, and because now price is underneath the middle Bollinger Band on the H4 time frame, the next destination is right here. If you look at here, we have an emptiness here. We have an emptiness here. Price never touched any support, so it may just go fully go down right here. Right here before, we already went up here before. We tested that top Bollinger Band before, but we never fully tested the bottom Bollinger Band on the H4 time frame yet. So I think that's the next move to come. We just have to prepare ourselves to get it. But the real confirmation is going to be when price fully breaks this area here. That support zone right there, 200 MA. When price break 200 MA, then we know we're going down here for sure. All right, 30-minute time frame, it's already underneath 200 MA, middle Bollinger Band, it's already under it. All right, on the 15-minute time frame, same thing, already underneath the middle. 5-minute, already underneath the middle. Dang. 1 minute above bottom. So yeah, it's gonna keep dropping, guys. That I could tell you for sure. It's gonna keep dropping from what I could see here. So if we enter a trade now, stop loss is going to be bigger than 50 pips because we need to have stop loss above the daily entry, like above right here. It's a lot of pips. The daily entry is a little distance already. That's a good amount of distance already. That's 97 pip stop loss on this trade. But I'm gonna be up tonight for London session, so I'm just gonna wait for a real entry and send it to you guys, if not a pending order, once I get a little bit more of a confirmation. But right now we stalling. Yo, what's good, Moody? Nice. You caught the bar, buy in the sell. Each yen half trend on the 1 minute is nasty. Oh yeah, for sure. For sure. For sure, bro. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, right now I'm waiting for a potential pullback so I could get better entries on these next moves. But gold is looking very bearish right now. And I know we're going to get some great setups as well, so there's no rush. Yeah, and then for Nas was playing around a bit this morning, but They ended up performing very well. I caught some of the sells here, but the buys I did not take advantage of them. This was the best buy we could have ever had around this area, but wasn't really locked in on it as I should have. So later on, I'm looking to get this buy opportunity once it's time. But right now, Nas is it's not fully ready to go just yet. If we look at just Bollinger Bands, we already fully test this area. It already fully test this area. It doesn't really know which direction it really wants to go just yet. But pattern wise, it wants to go do a new higher high. A higher high, higher low for a new higher high. So I'll be looking forward to this move when it's getting ready to happen. But overall, the market is the market, You just have to pay attention. The more you pay attention, the more you're going to be able to capitalize on move. If you're not paying attention, you're going to miss out on moves. So all I want is for me to be alert and ready to go by the time I get an entry. And that's pretty much it. Good, man. I may need at least a 1 hour nap before London session, to be honest. But I feel ready for tonight. Definitely gonna lock in. All right. So, what moves y'all gonna make, chat? What y'all gonna do for gold? I know y'all gonna do something tonight, tomorrow. What's y'all plan? Oof. I'm telling you, man, that sell on goal is super strong. I'm just trying to see how I could get in it because I did not enter exactly at the daily entry. I'm literally just trying to see how I can participate. I'm just getting ready for it. Even if I don't get an entry now, I know I'll get an entry later for sure. And it's most likely probably going to be for sales. Yeah, there he goes. There goes the gold, guys, pushing down. This needs to go to the bottom Bollinger Band on the H1 time frame to fully be ready. So right now I'm not in any trade just yet, and I have not sent a signal. For me, the signal would be for a sell, stop loss above it, but it's not fully ready just yet for me. But it's about to be, and it's going down for a sell. Half trend is red, bearish as well on the H4. It's not easy to see all of that confirmation like that. Wow, half trend on the daily is also red, bearish as well. Sheesh. It's time to go. It's getting ready to shoot. Wow, the daily entry is keys on low. Our daily entry was our best entries we could have gotten overall. All right, chat. Talk to me. Ooh, that boy Dennis said he's up 5K. Let's go. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Serge said he's looking for sells on gold. I'm looking for sells on gold too. I'm definitely looking for sells on gold. It's happening. It's happening. It ain't give me the pullback I was looking for too much, but it's dropping right now. Yeah, we dropping, guys. We are dropping. There's couple more confirmation that I do need though to really go for the sell long term. So I'm waiting for it. It is almost here, and when it's here, sheesh, the sell is gonna be crazy on this pair, man. The sell is going to be crazy, man. Let me calculate what's the potential pips it's gonna be from the daily. Cause guys, we haven't had a big move yet. Like true big move, we haven't yet. You see this? Consolidation. We soon going to have a breakout on the daily time frame, and I want to be a part of that. Alright, I want to be ready, I want to be alert, take advantage of the move, make profit. Yeah, I'm getting myself prepared for that. That's a lot of pips it's gonna be. Can't wait, actually. Just from here to here, if we just go there, that's 500 pips. 900 pips to go down here, TP. 900 pips right here. 1,000 pips. Sheesh. Life changing. Right here. So we're right in the middle, stop loss above here. This should be a good trade on the H4 time frame, to be honest. But you have to really analyze to see exactly where we're going. But from what I could see here, we are going down there. Easy. Matter of fact, let me see if I could do a drawing on this. Yep, I already have my trend line. and then I had one that is fully naked. I want to erase this. Right here on the H4. Right here. Put this trend line right there. Alright, there's few zones that I need to see testing and breaking, and then we good to go for the take profit. I need to see this zone broken. And I need to see this zone right here broken. Alright, something small. Alright, not asking for too much, just need to see that. Once I see that, then I know exactly how I'm gonna get my entries, you know? Yeah, so that's pretty much the zones, guys, that I need to see. Because these zones been respected. Either we're going to get continuation for buys here, or price is going to respect the zone. W formation, potential buy opportunity. Alright, let's see what we're gonna get here. We do have a nice little W formation on the 1 minute time frame. Let's just see. Yeah, we're still gonna keep going down, guys. For sure, for sure. This is just small pullbacks and stuff, very small. Alright, let's see what we get. Price respected the support zone here on the 15-minute time frame. Very nice. Let's see. 1 minute time frame. W formation on the 1 minute time frame. Ooh, green half trend. Green 50 now. Let's see if we break the cloud. What's good, Kevin? Nice to have you here, man. Yeah, Ichimoku Cloud is the way for sure. Yeah, let's stay locked in. Let's stay locked in. More content coming soon. Look at this daily candle open on the daily entry. That's a bearish move. I'm getting ready to enter this trade. Well, it seems like that That support wasn't as strong as I thought. Let's see. Let's see how it's gonna react with the cloud here. Let's go, Jack. What's going on, chat? We locked in. So market is super slow right now, guys. There's not much we could do but be patient right here, to be honest. Right now we getting mixed signals for buys or sells. So let's be patient. Oh, we had a 50 MA. Strong support zone areas. You guys think we're gonna get a little pullback? What you guys think in the chat? Let me know, man. All right, we pushing. All right. Let's see how the hour is gonna open right now. Retest at the 50 again. Let's see. Let's see if we're getting a break right here. All green bullish candles on the 1 minute time frame. That's a great confirmation. Let's see if we go right above the middle Bollinger Band. If we go above the middle Bollinger Band here, we could be buying. Let's see. Volume picking up just a bit. Alright, let's see if we go back above the middle as well here. This is very crucial. Alright, let's see how this is reacting. Alright, new hour is pushing, is about to come up soon. In 12 minutes, a new H4 candle is going to form as well. Alright, let's see. We're pushing higher. This was the signal. Green 50. Push it higher. Let's see if we get back above this area here. Alright, we're above 800 on the 1 minute. Minute 800, we're above it. Right here, we just need to go push a little higher towards it. Actually. Seems like we're having a difficult time to go above 5 minutes. This one right here, go above the 200. Let's see. Alright, H4 is here. H1 pushing up for right now. Alright, looking bullish right now. Market is so slow, but it's looking good. Big moves coming soon. Let's see if we get our retest that we've been talking about. Let's go. We're pushing up. Pushing up. Let's see. Going to that 800 on that 1 minute. Let's see, right up there. Still all green bullish candles. That's good. Few more minutes, we got a new H4 candles forming. And H1. So let's see how this is gonna open and close. Six more minutes here. Let's see. Got it. Excuse me. Price about to push up. New H4 coming, guys. Let's see how our price reacts. What type of reaction we're gonna get. Buyers looking good right now, guys. Let's see. I just needed to fully go above this zone, and I'm going for it. I'm going to take this off for now. Alright, price is respecting this zone. Let's go to this zone. Yep, right here. I just need to see a breakout here. And we stand locked in on the buys. Buyers looking good here. Buyers looking very good here. Let's go. Beautiful rejection. Support. We're going back above here. Let's see if we fully back above. Oh, we above the middle. If we above the middle, that's when it's time to go for a buy. We had a nice W formation here, pushing price up. This was beautiful. Alright, there it is. We're going up for the buy now. That was beautiful W formation too. Let's see if we get to the 50 MA on the 5-minute now. So we can keep going. Alright, and also let's see how the candles open for us as well in the higher time frame. Alright, H1 is bullish right now, respecting both of my zones for the bullish move, and H4 is currently right now bullish. H4 candle is currently right now bullish, guys. So let's see how that is. And that's a new H4 candle right here. It's not gonna change anytime soon. Okay, on the H1 we bullish. 15 we bullish. Right at the middle again. Let me go ahead and add a support there. Oof, I can't on this one. Fine. 5 minute, all good. Let's go ahead and do that. And then here, we're going to do a new support. I'm locked in right now, guys. Locked in. We're pushing on gold. When price go above daily, I'm going ham on gold. Alright, we're buying here. All good here. Good here. Good here. Yep. We're gonna go bullish on gold right now. Looking very good. All right. Pushing up nicely. New hour just pulled up. Let's see. Look at the new hour open, guys. This is a good opportunity for a trade. I'm actually gonna take this trade soon. That's a good entry, guys. Alright, let's see what we get in here. Are we gonna get a retest at the daily? Most likely we should. We should. Yeah, guys, well, I'm pretty much locked in, man. I'm staying up for London session. I'm gonna go to sleep all the way till like 4 a.m. So I'm pretty much locked in, man. I'm getting ready to go hard, man, for the rest of the week. So right now we're looking bullish for gold, but be careful on it for sure, because we don't know what it could do. Fully. We just have to wait and get our moves. But right now, it's looking a good setup for a gold buy right now. So yeah, man, we just gotta stay focused, stay locked in. Everything is gonna be fine. Let's see. By the way, we close around the daily entry too, so something to keep in mind as well. We are right at the 800 MA, 1 minute time frame. Also 5 minute 800 MA. And also 15. Alright, let's see. Yeah, the buy is looking very promising right now for gold. It's respecting this zone that we have here. Already broke through this high. Looking to do some higher highs here. Where do I get the entry for this? Above the daily entry would be ideal for the best entry though. Yeah. Let's see. Price is right around that area. Let's see if it respects the 800. It should. Yeah. So I'm gonna be here looking at the chart, guys, but I'm not gonna sit here and watch it for too long. If anything, I might take an hour nap, wake up for London session, so I could be super locked in, ready to go with you guys. But overall, this trade is looking like a buy, guys. I would buy this trade and see how it goes from there. So yeah. With that being said, I'm not gonna be here too long. I'll say this is the end of this session, and then tomorrow is our last session. So let's come ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna do my best to send a signal for us for today, tomorrow. Hopefully that goes well. But besides that, shout out to every one of you guys that's been consistent, man, showing up, doing your part. I know it's not easy, guys, but shout out to you guys making it happen on a day-to-day. Win or lose, you still show up. That's all that matters, man. So big shout out to you guys. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it for me. And I guess I'll talk to you guys soon, man. Peace out.